Today's video is supposed to be a prep for OSW Black Friday Drift event, which is a 3-day event that Orlando Speed World holds. It's the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd, or the 20th, 21st, 22nd? One of those. It's those 3 days. I think it's the 20th, 21st, 22nd. Yeah, it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And so me, Colin, Kevin, Jacob, we were all prepping to go. We all, already rented trailers, already had a place we were gonna stay in Orlando. And tickets went on sale last night and literally sold out in 9 minutes. So Kevin's the only one who actually got a ticket. So I guess we're not going anymore. I'm on a waiting list to see if anyone gets a refund, but the chances are slim to none. So anyway, this was supposed to be a prep video for that. So as you can see over here, I got a new, gas jug right here, 5 gallon. And I got a new helmet because I never had a SA rated helmet. They require SA 2015. I got a SA 2020 just because. Got a fire extinguisher, so bracket for that. And then what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be putting these on. So these are the ISR S14, S13 Pro Series rear camber arms. So I'm gonna be putting these on today. Like I said, it was supposed to be a prep video, but obviously we're not prepping for that anymore. But I already have these, so I might as well put them on. So on the 21st, there's actually an event at Showtime, which is like 5 minutes from us. Orlando is like an hour and a half, I believe. So we're probably gonna end up just going to Showtime, as much as I don't like Showtime because it's not a great learner's track because it's just an oval and they don't have a skid pad or anything. But yeah, might as well just go over there, I guess, because it's right here and we already got all this stuff and we're already ready to drift that weekend. So anyway, I'm gonna head to work right now and I'm gonna start throwing these control arms in. So I'll see you guys when I get to work. If anyone was curious, this is the fire extinguisher I added to my car. Well, the bracket, I should say. So I got it off Amazon. It's just called the Bracketeer. Just basically bolts to here, bolts to that seat bolt over there, and there's these 2 brackets that come off and go down under here. And just a nice quick release right here, and it'll pop right off. Pretty sturdy. Came out pretty good. So I got the car up in the air right now. So this is the arm I'm going to be replacing. It's the upper arm or camber arm. So here's the new one like I was showing you, adjustable so I can take out the camber. So let me put that arm in right now. So and just like that, control arms in, pretty easy. Now let me go over and do the other side. Alright, so I got the other side in right here. Now I gotta put the wheels on and throw it on the alignment rack. Alright, so this is the best I can get it with the rear camber, because any more and it starts throwing out my toe. So what I have to get now is, let me show you. I have to get these toe arms I have to get adjustable ones because this is all the adjustment I have is this little little sleeve that moves. So if I start adjusting my camber any more out to get rid of the negative camber, it throws out my toe and I can't adjust it any farther. So now I gotta get those arms. I don't know how long it'll take. Probably only take a day or two to get here because they're from Injuku. But yeah, I think I'm gonna head to the shop right now and go work on Jacob's knuckles. All right, guys. So I just got here to the shop. Right here, you see you got Jacob's Miata on the lift. Like I was saying, he was gonna drift this at OSW because this wasn't gonna be ready in time. So let me see if I can find his knuckle. Probably over here. Yeah, okay, so this is the one he hasn't done yet. You can see where he marked it, where he's gonna cut it. And this is the one he's already done. So you can see right here, he cut and welded it. He shortened it a little bit. I think he said a 1/2 inch to get some more angle. So he's just gotta do this one now, and we're gonna throw him back in. He's gonna paint him. I think he's gonna paint him pink. And I'm gonna throw him back in, get new lower ball joints, and yeah, see how much angle it gives him.
Like my goggles.
Like Kevin. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, get in there.
Jeez. So anyway, he got the other knuckle done. As you can see, he's painting it. He opted for the rose gold.
The only decent color O'Reilly's had.
Looks like tiger stripes.
I'll show you tiger stripes.
So yeah, I'll show you the other one in a minute because the other side's already done and put back together. So this is the side that he already did. So this is what the angle looks like. I have no idea how much it is. I don't want to try and measure it, but pull out my light real quick. So this is this side, got it painted, everything bolted up, new lower ball joint. And the only thing it hits, it barely touches the upper arm over there. So let me see if I can spin it and show you. See right over there, barely touches it. Like you could probably sand down the arm and it'll be fine. Like that's how close it is. But I think he took out just enough out of the knuckle to give him like the perfect angle without having to get spacers or different wheels or anything. Turn it the other way. Pretty good for $3.99.
Pulling something. Maybe not.
No, that's just your welded diff. Pretty sick. Yeah. Does it? I don't know. Alright, so as you saw, Jacob's car's done. He got the knuckles back in, the new ball joints, everything put back together. You saw from that clip right before this the angle that he has. So I just met up with my brother right now. He's right in front of me in his 350. Got us some Chick-fil-A. About to head home, eat that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's supposed to be an OSW drift prep video, like I said, but that's not happening anymore. So just a normal day. Yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one.